In 2025, Google is rolling out one of the most significant updates to Gmail since its launch. This isn't just a routine refresh or a minor tweak, it's a complete reimagining of how your inbox keeps you safe in a rapidly changing digital world. The goal? To protect you from a new wave of online threats that are becoming more sophisticated and harder to detect every day. Your inbox is now a prime target for cybercriminals. They're not just after your emails. They want your personal data, your identity, and even access to your financial accounts. Google's 2025 upgrade is their answer to this growing threat landscape. It's a powerful, multi-layered defense system designed to protect every Gmail user, no matter how tech-savvy you are. The urgency is real. Recent FBI warnings and cybersecurity experts agree. This is the most dangerous time ever for email users. Attacks are more frequent, and the consequences are more severe. Scammers are now using artificial intelligence to craft emails that look exactly like messages from your bank, your friends, or even your workplace. These attacks are incredibly convincing and can fool even experienced users. That's why Google's upgrade isn't just an improvement, it's a fundamental shift in how Gmail manages your security, using smarter technology and more robust protections. At the heart of this upgrade is Shielded Email, a digital bodyguard that stands between your inbox and the outside world, working around the clock to keep you safe. Shielded Email creates a protective barrier, hiding your real email address from prying eyes and making it much harder for scammers to reach you directly. You'll gain new tools to control exactly who can contact you, block unwanted senders, and manage your privacy settings with just a few clicks, putting you in charge of your digital life. This means a cleaner, more organized inbox with advanced filters to fight spam and scams, so you can focus on what matters without the stress of constant threats. Signing up for new services will be safer than ever. You can use anonymous email addresses for registrations, reducing the risk of your real email being sold, leaked, or targeted by spammers. In this guide, we'll walk you through every new feature, step by step, so you can make the most of Gmail's upgraded security and privacy tools. In today's world, your online safety is more important than ever before. Protecting your inbox means protecting your identity, your finances, and your peace of mind. With this 2025 Gmail upgrade, Google is taking a bold step forward to secure your digital future, giving you the confidence to communicate, connect, and explore online, safely and securely. Imagine a world where your email address is no longer a single, vulnerable point of entry into your digital life. The heart of Gmail's 2025 update is Shielded Email, a groundbreaking feature designed to hide your real address from the outside world, giving you a new layer of privacy and control. With Shielded Email, you can create disposable aliases for every online service you use: shopping, newsletters, social media, or even one-time signups. Each alias acts as a unique mask, so your true email remains hidden and protected. These aliases automatically forward mail to your main inbox, seamlessly delivering messages while keeping your real address invisible to senders. No matter how many aliases you create, all your emails arrive in one place, organized and secure. Think of it like handing out a temporary P.O. box instead of your home address. You decide who gets the key, and you can change the locks whenever you want. If a service gets hacked, starts spamming you, or you simply no longer trust it, just turn off the alias. Instantly, all unwanted emails stop. No need to change your main address or worry about lingering spam. This approach is similar to Apple's Hide My Email, but now it's built right into Gmail, making it accessible to millions more users. Both services are designed to protect your core digital identity from prying eyes and data breaches. Remember, your primary email is the master key to your online world. If it's compromised, you risk losing access to everything: banking, social media, work, and more. Shielded Email helps you break that chain of vulnerability. Using aliases for public activities like signing up for events, newsletters, or Wi-Fi keeps your main address safe from leaks and unwanted attention. Google is integrating Shielded Email directly into Gmail and Chrome, so you can access these privacy tools wherever you check your email or browse the web. When a website asks for your email, you can generate a fresh alias instantly. No extra apps, no complicated setup. It's as easy as clicking a button. All your aliases are managed from a central dashboard in your Google account. Here, you can see which aliases are active, which services use them, and monitor for any suspicious activity. With a single click, you can deactivate any alias, instantly cutting off access for that service. No more digging through settings or contacting support. Your privacy is always just a click away. This puts you firmly in control of your inbox, letting you decide who can reach you and when. Shielded email is simple, effective, and finally gives you real privacy in a world where your data is constantly at risk. It's a smarter, safer way to manage your digital life across all your devices and accounts. You decide who gets access to your inbox, and you can change your mind at any time. With shielded email, your email security and your peace of mind are finally in your hands. Email aliases are the core of shielded email, acting as your first line of defense in the digital world. They're simple, powerful tools that help you protect your privacy every time you sign up for a new service or share your contact information online. An alias is a substitute address that forwards mail to your real inbox, no separate password needed. You can create as many aliases as you want, each one unique to a website, app, or even a specific person. When someone emails your alias, Google forwards it to you, keeping your real address hidden. This means your true identity and main inbox stay private, even if you interact with dozens of different services. Marketers and scammers collect real addresses from breaches and signups. Once your main email is out there, it can be sold, traded, or targeted in phishing attacks, often without you even knowing. By using aliases, you give out disposable addresses, not your main one. Each alias acts like a shield, so if one gets leaked, your real inbox stays untouched. If an alias is compromised, you know exactly which service leaked it. This gives you instant insight into which companies are careless with your data. Just delete or deactivate the alias. Unwanted emails stop instantly. There's no need to change your main address or worry about losing important contacts. This proactive control is a game changer for digital hygiene. You're not just reacting to spam, you're preventing it before it starts. Without aliases, a leaked main address means endless spam, phishing attempts, and even identity theft risks. It's a headache that can last for years. With aliases, you cut off the problem at the source. You control who can reach you, and you can shut down leaks with a single click. Keep your primary inbox for trusted contacts. Use aliases for everything else. This keeps your main inbox clean, organized, and secure. It's a smarter, safer way to manage email. You're in control, not the spammers or marketers. You're no longer stuck playing defense. With shielded email, you're always one step ahead. Shielded email lets you take charge of your security, giving you peace of mind every time you hit send. Google's shielded email is a direct response to a more dangerous digital world. Email's core technology is old and insecure, making Gmail's billions of users a huge target. Nearly half of all emails are now spam, and scams are more convincing than ever. Many people use addresses that are a decade old, likely exposed in multiple breaches. If your main address is already out there, you're a permanent target. Shielded email is most effective when your primary address is private. The old ways, just using spam filters, aren't enough anymore. You need a proactive way to protect your digital identity. Shielded email hides your real address from new threats. It's a wake-up call. Protect your main address like a secret. Use aliases for everything else. The time to upgrade your email habits is now. AI is changing the cybersecurity game both for good and bad. Google's advanced AI now blocks more malicious emails than ever. But criminals use AI too, crafting perfect, convincing scams at scale. Old tricks like spotting bad grammar don't work anymore. Scammers can personalize attacks using your social media info. Technology alone can't keep you safe. Shielded email adds a layer you control, hiding your real address from AI-powered scams. The threat is spreading to other platforms like Apple's RCS messaging. Learning to use aliases and practicing good digital hygiene protects your entire digital life. In an era of smart threats, you need smart defenses. With shielded email, many wonder, should you just use aliases or get a new email address? If your address is old, it's likely compromised and on spam lists. Every site you've signed up for is a potential leak. If you get constant spam, your address is already exposed. The best solution? Start fresh with a new private primary address. Keep it secret. Share only with trusted contacts. Use aliases for everything else. Newsletters, stores, social media. This separates your private and public digital lives. Gradually migrate important accounts to your new address. Use your old account to forward mail until you're ready to retire it. A fresh start means a safer, more secure email setup. Gmail's upgrade isn't just about security, it's about smarter organization. New summary cards now highlight key info from emails, flights, bills, events, right at the top. The Happening Soon section on mobile brings urgent items to your attention automatically. No more digging for tracking numbers or dates. Gmail surfaces what matters. A new drag-and-drop feature for recipients helps prevent privacy mistakes in group emails. These updates save time and protect your contacts' information. Gmail is now both safer and easier to use. Shielded email is powerful, but your habits matter too. Google's 4 golden rules for 2025 help you spot and avoid scams. First, slow down. Scammers want you to act fast. Pause before clicking or replying. Second, spot check. Always verify the sender's address and claims. If something seems off, go directly to the company's website. Don't use links in the email. Third, stop. Don't send personal info, passwords, or money in response to unsolicited emails. Legitimate companies never ask for sensitive info this way. If payment is demanded via gift cards or wire transfer, it's a scam. Fourth, report it. Mark suspicious emails as spam or phishing in Gmail. Reporting helps Google's AI protect everyone. By following these rules, you become part of the global defense. Technology plus smart habits is your best protection. Stay alert and help keep Gmail safe for all. Don't wait for 2025. Secure your Gmail now. Start with a security checkup. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. If your address is old or spam-filled, create a new private Gmail account. Migrate your most important services to this new address. Keep your new address for trusted contacts only. Use aliases for everything else. Clean up your old accounts, unsubscribe from unused services. Fewer subscriptions mean less risk and less spam. Make Google's 4 golden rules a habit. Combine new tools with smart habits for maximum protection. Shield your inbox from growing threats and keep your information private. Your security starts with you. Act now.